Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. This is S. Naveen Kumar, your computer science teacher from Bharadasanagar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now we are going to see 11th standard computer application subject, chapter number 6, Introduction to Word Processor. In this session, we are discussed the concept of find and replace and spell check. Let's see what are the concepts we are discussed in that last session. What are they? Inserting header and footer and inserting and formatting page numbers. Okay. What is a header? Header is the top of the page area. Okay. And what is a footer? Footer is a bottom of the page area. Okay. What is the purpose of this header and footer which is used? We are inserting any content that should be replicate the entire document. You are entering some content, for example page number or a logo or a school name or whatever it may be, that should be present in all the document. Okay. And inserting and formatting page number. What is the purpose of a page number? We want to find the particular page in your textbook or any material or any dictionary, whatever it may be. In this purpose, we are inserting a page number. That page number is default 1, 2 and 3. Suppose you want to change that format is in Roman letters 1, 2 and 3. In the same, these concepts are discussed in previous session. Now, find and replace. What does mean by find and replace? We want to find, that means search. Okay. Find means search. Replace means we want to replace some content. For example, in search box, you can type the content already present in Madras. These contents should be replaced as Chennai. Okay. In replace box, you type the content as Chennai. Okay. In this is the format. Suppose in a document a single word also you want to find, and suppose in that entire document you can search the what or the where it was located fully Madras, that all the words also find using find all option. And this replace content Chennai should be replaced in a single occurrence, or it should be replaced in all the occurrences of a document using replace all option. Okay. And auto spell check. What is the meaning of spell check? You are type some content, in that situation if there is any mistakes, spelling mistakes, it will be occur. In that situation you can find in the form of a squiggly red line. This is the squiggly red line which is used to identify there is any error in that particular word, but in this word there is no error. Okay. This squiggly red line is used to finding the error, and here how we can find the error? Auto spell check icon should be in on. In that situation only we can find the mistakes. Okay, spelling mistakes. And automatic correction. What happen automatic correction? Some typographical mistakes can be automatically corrected. For example, I am type TEH. This is any word? No, because I am wrongly typed that is THE. That should be automatically replaced. That is called automatic correction. These concepts are now we seen in practical.
Now we are going to see find and replacing a text. What is the meaning of find and replace? For example, we want to find some word or some sentence in a particular document, and that should be replaced, okay, in some word. How we can see? Very good. That's very easy step. Okay, we have a menu. What is that menu? Edit menu. Okay, edit and click find option. Okay, edit, find and replace, or you can use the shortcut as Control plus F. Edit, find and replace. In that find and replace dialog box appear on a screen. Okay, or you can use the shortcut as Control F. The same way find and replace dialog box appear on a screen. In search for box, you can type which word you want to search in a document. For example, text, T-E-X-T, text. Okay, or you can use the small letter, T-E-X-T, text. Okay, and replace with word, W-O-R-D. Now you are in search for box, you can type the word, which word you want to find in a document, and in replace with the box, you can type which word you want to replace. For example, here click find button. What happened? Whatever the first, here you can select some word, that is text. Which word should be in a text, and find all means it can select in the entire document. In that entire document, how many words should be in text. For example, you can click replace all means, replace all, or find means it can select only one word, replace means that word only replace. That means here you can see the changes now. The text will be changed as a word. Here you can click find all. Here you can click find all. Find all means all the words are finded, and next you can click replace all means where the word should be in. For example, here already presented in text, but now it should be changed as word. Okay, this is the concept of find and replace. Are you clear, children? This is a very important 5 mark question for your exam point of view. It is a very easiest way to changing a word or changing a text, something in similar. Okay, yes. Next we are going to see spell check. Okay, next we are going to see spell check. The spell check is which is used for, we want to check the spelling should be incorrect or not. Okay, how we can use the spell check document? Before we are going to see auto spell check. We have a auto spell check. This is a auto spell check icon. This should be in on means here. For example, your type any content should be in wrong. For example, special means here I changed the sentence, that is PL. That is in here auto spell check icon is on. This should be in off means there is no identification mark. Here that should be in on means here we are seeing there is a squiggly red line. Here you seeing squiggly red line. Okay, that's a squiggly red line. Here it is used to identify the given word should be a wrong. How we can change? Suppose you know that's a spelling. You know the spelling means you can select appropriate. You can click appropriate position and then you can type the particular correct character. Or you don't know that particular content. You don't know the particular character to change. In that situation, here you can right click on a particular word. Right click on a particular word. Some suggestions are there. You can select the particular suggestion. I want to change that into a formatting and click it. We want to correct the spelling, the system auto spell check future. This is the auto spell check icon. This auto spell check future must be on. In that situation, we are going to type maybe a misspelling words. That means we are typing some content very fastly. In that situation, some characters are left. It should be identified. Okay, suppose if it is an off, means we can't identify. Okay, next one, automatic correction. What is the meaning of automatic correction? For example, here I want to type the word TEH. It should be changed as THE. Are you seeing, children, now? Here, this is the word the now, but THE is the word spelling as TEH. I give a press a space bar. You can see now in this location TEH. It should be wrongly typed by me, and I press the space bar. It should be automatically changed as THE. This is called auto correction or automatic correction. Okay. How we can identify this is automatic correction? How the words are stored? It's a very simple. We have a menu. That menu has tools. In that tool, auto correct. In the tools, auto correct, we have a option as auto correct option. Here in this auto correct option, you can click. We have a auto correct dialog box. Okay, auto correct dialog box. Here we have a lot of things there. For example, before, here before, BEFOER, you are typing BEFOER means this should be automatically changed as before. Because VCUSC means it will be automatically changed as added with A, and it should be automatically changed as because. In the same way, where user want to add some more words also. How we can add some more words? You can click a new button. In this here new button. Here click a new button. How we can use open an autocorrect dialog box? Tools, autocorrect option. In that autocorrect option, dialog box appear on a screen, and then how we can add a new word. COMPTER. Okay, and with means COMPUTER. Here you can click new. This should be added. Computer. So suppose you are typing computer means it should be added with computer. For example, click OK, and then you can type here. How we can type computer, COMPTER, and click spacebar. It will be automatically changed now. Or you see here computer and automatic correction. These are the concepts. It's the very easiest, and it is useful for your not only your studies. It is useful for in your, suppose you are working in any company, or you are typing any content that should be used for display. This feature is present in all the office, that is MS Office and Star Office and Open Office. All the application, all the text documents, this features have there. Okay.
I hope you are all enjoying this session. We have attached the study material and then self-assessment question paper and question bank in the below description. You can go through that and evaluate yourself with the help of self-assessment question paper. Thank you, students. We will see in the next session.